Roasted Brussels sprouts with a hint of maple syrup and topped with crispy fried onions. You have to try this side dish. You're going to need 1 pound of fresh Brussels sprouts. Go ahead and slice them in half. If they're really big, then you can also do quarters. Place the cut Brussels sprouts on a large baking sheet. Then we're going to drizzle it with about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using avocado oil. Season it with some salt and pepper, and I'm also using some paprika here just to give it a little bit of smokiness. Go in with clean hands and just mix everything around to distribute and incorporate the oil and the seasoning. I have my oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to bake it for a total of 20 minutes, but after 10 minutes, you want to go ahead and rotate the Brussels sprouts a little bit. Just use a spatula and kind of flip them around and move them around so that way the Brussels sprouts can cook evenly. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're going to place them back into the oven and cook them for about another 10 minutes or until they've kind of browned on the outside and they are no longer hard. Once the Brussels sprouts are done, you want to get another dish that you can place in the oven, kind of a serving dish. Go ahead and put the roasted Brussels sprouts in there. And here I have 2 tablespoons of real maple syrup. And then I have some dried cranberries. You can either use these are a little less sweet, or I've also used orange flavored dried cranberries, and that gives a really nice flavor too. Mix that around to distribute everything, and then I have these fried onions. I got these from Trader Joe's, but you can pretty much find them at any grocery store during the holidays. This is half a cup. Just go ahead and sprinkle it all over the top, and it just adds a nice crunchiness and saltiness to the Brussels sprouts. Place them back in the oven for another 10 more minutes, so that way everything is warmed through and the top gets a little bit of color as well. You can go ahead and serve them immediately. If not, you can keep them warm in a 200-degree oven, or you can place this in the fridge once it's cooled and then reheat it the day of that you're serving it. They turn out absolutely delicious. I never used to like Brussels sprouts until I tried them this way, so I really hope you give it a try. They're full of flavor and they will be perfect on your Thanksgiving table. I'll see you guys next time.